Yo, what's going on YouTube? Utah Dipper here with another video. Alright, so in this video I'm going to be giving y'all like a rundown of my car. First I'm going to put a dip in, and then I'm going to get out of my car, and then I'm going to show y'all my car. So first thing you got to do is got to put a dip in. Dip in that Copenhagen wintergreen. Tomorrow, switching my dips again. Copenhagen mint comes out, so Copenhagen mint's gonna be my daily dip from now on as of tomorrow, if the smoke shop I go to has it. So whenever they get it, that's when I'm switching dips to mint, and I'm fucking pumped. Alright, time to pack, dip, and spit. Alright, you're packing a dip with me? Cheers! Alright, I'm gonna get out and show y'all my car. Alright guys, we're outside my car. Alright, so for the tires, we got some 29-inch mud claws. Got some pretty decent tread on them. Alright, the engine's got some paint chipping right here. We got a spare tire rack I put on my car. Took it off one at the junkyard. Got my license plate right there. Yee. On the inside of my car, we got that horn red interior going on. Got no speakers in the doors. Didn't have speakers or a stereo on the bottom. So just using this little portable speaker right there for my speaker. It's the 5-speed manual. Doesn't have a console cover. I mean, it's a piece of shit, but I mean, it's my piece of shit. And I'm gonna start putting all my old lids up here on the roof. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. I'll catch you back in another video. Peace.